Hi, teacher. How are you? I'm fine. Today, I'm going to talk about my family and me and Mark and Marta. I'm 41. I'm 41 years old. I live in Cuenca, but I am from Manabi. I have two children. Their names are Mauricio. He's 19 years old. And Maria Sol. She is 14 years old. I love my children and I play football with them out there sometimes. In Banco Pichincha, I love my job, but I need to have more time with my children in the day. I have a boyfriend. He is a good person and very, very cute with me. And we are getting married. His name is Javier. And I miss my mom because she lives in España. Her name is Narcisa, like me. But I have four brothers, four other brothers in Guayaquil. Now, I work in Banco Pichincha. I like my job, but I need more time with my children. I love my children and my job. I love eat grabs, but I don't like running in the morning. I really love food of Manabi. It's really delicious. Well, now I talk about my about me. Okay, I love eat fish and grabs, but I don't like eating fanesca. I don't know. And I have a boyfriend. I love he because he's a good person and very cute, and we're getting married in December, and I'm very excited for this for this date. I love traveling the world. It's very funny for me. I really like New York, Argentina, but I love Spain. This is really amazing and impressionant. I love dogs, but I hate cats. I don't know why, but I hate cats. Oh, okay, my favorite drink is beer, like person I like, and tequila. My favorite color is red and black because the black is for all, I don't know, anyway, clothes. My favorite sport is basketball, and I eating grabs sometimes with my daughter and my boyfriend. They love eating grabs with me, and